Okay, I am making the LMNT copycat. Okay, I've got my scale. Now, if you don't have a scale, I can put the recipe down there. This is from the LMNT website. So this one is potassium chloride, and it is 385 milligrams, but I'm on ounces. So let me change pounds, grams, right? Grams, does it do milligrams? Oh, great. How do I know the difference between grams and milligrams? It's like a 10 or something. Milligrams to grams. It's 10, isn't it? So 1 milligram is 0.001 gram. Oh, brother. My brain cannot handle this. So 0.001, so I need 0.002. What the heck? What in the world? Okay, so here I'm just gonna guesstimate. It is.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
Oh, that's for each serving. I'm like, what in the world? Okay, potassium chloride. Okay. Oops. Well, I was supposed to do 11. Oh my goodness. I just did 30. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oops. Okay, this is getting worse as we go. Okay, I just did a year's worth. Oops. I just did 300 servings right there. Oh my goodness, this is gonna last me till I die. Okay. Okay, so 122 grams. Okay. Okay, so now okay, so let me do. Okay, there's that one. All right, I'll post the recipe in the description below, but I got this off the LMNT website. Okay, then I got sodium chloride, also known as salt. I was dumb, I shouldn't have done that. So then I just did 12 times the recipe. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, that'll work. So all of this goes in. Okay, and we're gonna use 2/3 of a teaspoon. So got my water flavor packet in here that I love. I love these ones with stevia. Now we can afford them. I couldn't before. Okay, so now I'm putting it in there and I am stirring and I am tasting. Oh, yep, tastes really good. Okay, I can do this. Now for my year's worth of electrolytes. There we go.